This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by Senior Research Scientist Robert Faber. To perform this demonstration, you will need a standard 1:3 dilution of Amway Home LOC glass cleaner, an eyedropper, a handheld glass mirror, and a piece of paper towel. This demonstration shows the incredible streak resistance of Amway Home LOC glass cleaner. Take a piece of paper towel that has been folded over 3 times, creating an applicator that is 8 layers thick and measures about 4 inches by 3 inches. Use the eyedropper to apply approximately 0.5 milliliters of LOC glass cleaner onto the folded edge of the paper towel. Hold the folded paper towel at a 45-degree angle and gently swipe the wetted edge across the mirror 6 times with a back and forth motion. Allow 10 to 15 seconds for the product film to dry and look at the clarity of the mirror surface. This demonstration shows that the mirror treated with Amway Home LOC glass cleaner is sparkling clean with no streaks or smudges.